Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by getting the reference visible, not later now. Open Actions Canvas reference so a floating panel appears. This keeps your source locked while you draw. Once the panel is open, import your image from Photos or Files, or drag it from Split View. That preserves resolution. Make sure your canvas orientation matches the reference to reduce distortion. With the image set, position the reference window where it won't block critical workspace. Now integrate the reference into your workflow. Move and scale the reference window so key details align with your canvas. Create a dedicated sketch layer above your base. Lower opacity of any tracing layer to around 50% so you can see both draft and final. Use the eyedropper, hold touch, or color drop to sample exact hues from the reference, and lock transparency or use alpha lock to paint only within sketch shapes. This helps you paint accurately. Finish by refining details on separate layers. Tighten line work, add shadows and highlights, and use blending or Gaussian blur for smooth transitions. Group related layers, then export as PSD to keep editable layers or as PNG/JPEG for sharing. If something looks off, make sure the reference image was imported at full resolution and that Procreate's color profile matches your export settings. If colors still shift, lower the reference panel opacity or re-import.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.